You're all very welcome to our cookery demonstration here in the Pantry Cookery School this evening. I'm going to do two nice recipes for you. One is chocolate cornflake nests and the second one is lemon cupcakes. Both very simple recipes and kid friendly. We're going to start with the chocolate nests, for which you will need a large bowl for melting your chocolate, a pot to put your bowl on top of, some spoons and a spatula. Ingredient wise, you need cornflakes, chocolate, some mini eggs, butter and some golden syrup. All the ingredients are on the recipe sheets and the measurements are there too. So first go off, we're going to heat some water on our ring. Bring it up to boiling point and put your bowl on top. In there you're going to melt your chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. You can mix it together with dark chocolate if you like. You can also put white chocolate into it. It's entirely up to yourself. But I'm just using milk this evening. The chocolate that I'm using is out of Lidl. It is cheaper than the Cadbury's brands or your cooking chocolate, which contains a lot of oil. So I would recommend that you use a better chocolate than cooking chocolate if you can afford it at all. Aldi's and Lidl's own brand is absolutely delicious, and that's what I am using this evening. Put that in there and let it melt. Into that I'm going to put some butter and some golden syrup. Now a tip for when you're using golden syrup is to heat your spoon under boiling hot water. In doing that, it allows the syrup just to slide off your spoon instead of sticking to the spoon and where you lose a lot of product. So I'm just going to run it under the hot water. And 2 nice generous spoons of golden syrup goes into your chocolate and your butter. Just leave that there to melt. And like I said, I am using cornflakes this evening. For this recipe you can use Rice Krispies, you can use pretzels. There are lots of other ingredients you can use as well, like shredded wheat is a good one, and the shredded wheat actually gives a nice nest effect. But in this house everybody likes the cornflakes with this recipe, so we're going to go with the cornflakes tonight. But like I say, you can switch it around. You can actually add 2 ingredients together, like shredded wheat and cornflakes, or shredded wheat and Rice Krispies, and the pretzels. It's entirely up to yourself. So we'll just melt that down there. So when your chocolate has melted, remove it from the pot, and now we're going to add our cornflakes. Now you can just give them a little crunch with your hand and break them up just a little bit and pour them into your chocolate. Some big, some small. And just give them a nice swish around, making sure that you get all the cornflakes coated with the chocolate. And you need a big bowl for doing this. If you use a small bowl, you're only adding work for yourself. You need to be able to give it a good swish around to make sure that all the cornflakes, like I say, are coated with the chocolate. And just put another few in there. Stir. Now, just set that aside. And you take your muffin tray or your bun tray, and I have them lined with little coloured bun cases. I have blue, pink and lemon, just for Easter. Okay, and into that you're going to spoon your mixture and make little nests. Now, so just about a tablespoon per bun case. And then we'll shape them into nests when we have them filled. This helps them to keep their shape. You can put them straight into the bun trays, but you're making a lot of mess for yourself. And sometimes the chocolate hardens onto the tray and it's hard to take them out of the tray, so the bun cases are the way to go. So in they go. The children will love these because there's plenty of licking on the bowl afterwards. Oh, now you should get about 12 out of this mixture. Lovely. That bit done, you then take a little spoon and you're going to just gently make a little well in the middle of the flakes, because you're going to place some little eggs in there. So just a little well into each one and kind of build up the sides of your bun case so that it does look like a nest and that the eggs are being protected in it. Right up the sides, like so. Lovely. No, a little bit much in that one, we'll put some into that. Now, and then you're going to take your little mini eggs and just place about 3 into each nest. And they just look delicious. Try and pick 3 different coloured eggs as opposed to keeping them all the same. It just adds a little bit of colour and variety to the nest. The children will just love these. And there you go. There's 12 little nests made. Very quick and simple. Now you must, and this is a very important rule, you must allow these to cool completely before you put them into the fridge. They have to go into the fridge for about an hour to set, but if you put them in with any heat in them at all remaining from the chocolate, they will go white on you. And they're not very nice looking when there's white all through them. So just allow them to cool completely and then place them into your refrigerator for about an hour, and then they're good to go. They're good to eat.